Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 7th mathematics. We will start exercise 6a. Now students, in exercise 6a we have to solve the problem related to adding the expressions, algebraic expressions. The very first question is, we have to add 5x, 7x and minus 6x. Okay students. Now what we have to add? We have to add 5x, 7x and plus minus 6x we have to add. Now when we add these two terms 5x and 7x, the result will be 12x plus minus here and 6x. So when 6x is subtracted from 12x, the result will be 6x. Look one more problem here. Question number 4. 3 by 4 x square comma 5x square minus 3x square minus 1 by 4x square, that we have to add. Okay students, so we have to write in a order 3 by 4x square plus 5x square plus minus 3x square plus minus 1 by 4x square. Now student, we have to keep here 1 as denominator. Now we will take the LCM of all. The LCM of there is 4. 4 1 ja 4, so 3 1 ja 3x square here. 1 4 ja 4, 5 4 ja 20x square here. Now plus minus is here. 1 4 ja 4, 3 4 ja 12x square. And 4 1 ja 4, therefore minus x square. Now as you are looking at students, these two algebraic expressions are in addition. Both are in plus terms. So we have to add them first and we will get here 23x square. Both are in negative terms. So we have to add them and get the answer in negative mode, minus 13x square by 4. Now again we have to subtract the values and we will get 23 minus 13, that is 10x square by 4. Now reduce it, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. So our result will be 5 by 2 x square. Okay student, look one more question, question number 7 here. In question number 7 it is given that 5x minus 2x square minus 8x square minus 7x minus 9, 3 plus 7x square minus 2x. Okay, that we have to add students. So it's adding this type of expression, it's very simple. First you have to write the first term before the comma. That is 5x minus 2x square minus 8. Now the next term is 8x square. Before the 8x square there is no sign, that means here the plus sign is hidden. So we have to mark a plus sign here, 8x square. Now the next term is minus 7x. We have to write here the power of x is 1. So we have to keep it just below the x position, where the power of x is 1. Minus 7x, then minus 9. Now we have to keep the constant terms together. Again here 7x square, here it is plus, so we are adding here 7x square. Here 3, before 3 there is no sign, that means it is in plus, and here it is minus 2x. So in that way you have to arrange the terms. Okay, you have to write the first term very simply, 5x minus 2x square and then minus 8. Now after that you are looking here, it is x square. So always we have to write the x square below the position of x square. Before the x square there is no sign, that means it is in plus. So we have to mark the plus sign and write x square. The next term is minus 7x. That term we have to write under the x. So we have to write here minus 7x. And the next term is minus 9. That is a constant term that we have to write below the constant term. Now the next term is 3. That is a constant term. So we have to write it below the constant term, plus 3. Then next is plus 7x square. And then it is minus 2x. Now both are negative terms. So when you will add, you will get here minus 9x. When we add the both of the terms, both negative terms, you will get minus 9x. But this is in plus 5x. So now when we solve it, when we add them, we will get minus 4x. Minus 4x. Similarly, here the both terms are positive. Here the both terms are positive. So we have to add them first. 8 and 7, 15x square in plus, and here minus 2x square. Now when we add them, we will get 15 minus 2, 13x square. So we have to write here 13x square. Now both are the negative terms, so we have to add it first. So the result will be minus 17 and here it is plus 3. When you will add, you will get minus 14. So here the answer is, your students, minus 4x plus 13x square minus 14. Okay, any confusion? Now look one more question of first, question number 10. But before we have to clean it, so look here. Now in question number 10 of first, it is given that 3 by 2x cube minus 1 by 4x square plus 5 by 3. The next terms are minus 5 by 4x cube plus 3 by 5x square minus x plus 1 by 5. Next is minus x square plus 3 by 8x minus 8 by 15. Minus 8 by 15. So the first term is here, students, 3 by 2x cube minus, now x cube. Now we have to search where the next term of x cube. Here it is the term of x cube. So we have to write here minus 5 by 4 x cube. Okay. Now where the next x cube term? There is no other term of related to x cube. Now we have to write the terms related to x square. Minus 1 by 4x square. The next term is 3 by 5 x square. And the next term is plus minus x square. Right here 1 as denominator. Now the next term we have to write that is related with x only. So here it is only x minus x plus 3 by 8x. And then we have to write the constant terms that are in the first 5 by 3 plus the next constant term is here plus 1 by 5 and the last constant term is here minus 8 by 15. Now we have to make it solve. Here the x cube, again the x cube here. There is no one next more x cube here. Now we have to write the x square terms here. All the x square terms we have written here. Now we have to write the terms related to x only. Both are the x. And then we have to write the constant term. There is 5 by 3, 1 by 5 here and 8 by 15. Now take the LCM, students, here. What is the LCM? The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 2 to the 4, that means 3 to the 6x cube. And 4 1 the 4, plus minus 6 minus 5. Now again here you have to take the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. 4 5 are 20, 1 5 the 5. 5 4 are 20, 3 4 are 12. Plus minus, again minus, 120 are 20. 20 into x square minus 20 x square. Again here take the LCM of 1 and 8. The LCM will be 8. 1 8 is 8, 8x plus 8 1 is 8, that is 3x. Now again take the LCM here. The LCM will be here 15. 3 5 is 15. 5 5 is 25. 5 3 is 15. 1 3 is 3. Plus minus 8. Okay, student, continuing here. 6 minus 5 what? 1. 1 by 4x cube. Plus, now add the both of the terms because both relate to negative terms. So we will get here minus 25x square and plus 12x square by 20. Now here 8 minus 3, what? Minus 5 by 8x. And here 25 and 3 both are positive terms. So we have to add them, minus 8 by 15. Continuing here 1 by 4x cube. Now when you solve the terms, you will get here minus 13 by 20x square. Okay, student, here plus minus 5 by 8x and 28 minus 8, 20 by 15. Now we have to reduce the terms here. 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. So our answer will be 1 by 4x cube minus 13 by 20 x square minus 5 by 8x plus 4 by 3. That's our final answer. So this way you can solve question number 1 to 10. Okay students. Now in my next video, I will teach you how to solve question number 2 to 6. Question number 2 to 6. Okay. Thank you students for watching.